This video shout out goes to 𝐴𝐿𝐴 and Stop Motions, Fun with AGs, and ☞𝘦𝘭𝘆 for all commenting I'm cool, I a fish, mwahahaha on my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm going to be doing a song cover of Part of Your World from the movie The Little Mermaid. And also, if you didn't notice, I did not upload last week. I really missed you guys, but this week I'm going to be double uploading, so you get 2 videos this week. Today, obviously, and then Friday. So, yes, I did miss you guys on Friday. I was like, oh, I'm not posting a video, but I still need this break. Anyway, so I did have a great break. Anyway, I'm happy to be back this week, and enjoy the video. Take 1. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you'd think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got ☠𝑤ho's-its and ℏ𝑤hat's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Betcha on land they understand, bet they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's the fire and why does it? What's the word burn? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above, out of the sea? Wish I could be part of that world. Voice crack. Alright guys, so that is basically it. I'm just walking around outside and it's kind of cold, but alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you caught the hidden message, like the hidden text that I hid somewhere in the video, make sure you comment it down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Wait, that was really bad. Bye! That was okay. It was okay. It was good. Let's go inside now. Yay! Warmth. I'm home. Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.